At FTEX, we're solving the problem of slow adoption of electric vehicles. The main barrier to adoption is range anxiety, the fear of running out of battery charge. Extending range can be achieved by using ever larger batteries, but at the cost of making electric vehicles too expensive for most people. Currently, the different powertrain components all operate at the same voltage, a compromise between power, range, and cost. With our dynamic drive, we add flexibility to choose the best battery and motor without compromise. The dynamic drive can reduce voltage to deliver more power at low speeds and increase voltage for more range at higher speeds, delivering an overall power and range increase of up to 30%. The dynamic drive contains a motor controller and a GaN-based DC-DC converter, which are controlled by our AI, responding to user, manufacturer, and environmental inputs to deliver power efficiently throughout the entire speed range. Our dynamic drive works on a wide range of electric vehicles, from small personal vehicles to automobiles. The dynamic drive is a solid-state transmission for electric vehicles that will revolutionize and accelerate our transition towards clean transportation. FTEX, more power, more range, more electric vehicles.